Enjoy discovering the exciting world of the tarot with this online professional tarot diploma from Gateway Workshops. This online course will teach you everything you need to start your journey. By learning to understand and interpret the Major and Minor Arcana cards in a series of practical modules, the skills and knowledge taught in this course will help you become a proficient tarot reader. Many people consider tarot as the new therapy, and requests for tarot readings are more popular than ever, so this is a perfect complement to any existing therapies and skills you have. You will receive a fantastic manual and access to high-quality video clips, making this course easy to learn at your own pace from the comfort of your own home. You'll have an expert tutor on hand to give you all the guidance you need to complete your course, and on successful completion, you'll receive a diploma certificate that is accredited and professionally recognized. Join the thousands of students who chose to learn with an award-winning school, boasting a proven track record, extremely high standards, and expert tutors. Gain the skills, knowledge, and confidence you need to start becoming a professional tarot reader with Gateway Workshops. Sign up today.